Okay, we're going to start another project, or try to finish one. I got my little portable clamp-on vise. I've got this set up and got wing nuts underneath there so I can slide the vise back and forth. Here's the padded jaws that I ordered that are held on with magnets. I got a piece of walnut. I'm fixing to cut a small section off. There we go. And then I'm going to half it because I don't, I only need so much to go in between the blade itself and the antler, trying to extend that blade out just a little bit, or the handle. So this is what we're doing. We'll get this cut, and I'll get the preliminary work out of the way, and then somewhere around here I've got a tripod, a taller tripod. Or it might be in the other little shop, but I'm going to bring it out here and set it up, and try to make a better video so I can get my channel on the map. I've been getting lazy, and it shows, and I want to apologize to everybody for that. We're going to get better at this, because I really would like to get this channel rolling. Anyhow, I'll see you here in a few minutes. Well, in all my infinite wisdom, I managed to leave the tripod at the camper. So we'll just do it like so, and we'll be able to give this drill a test run, see how we do. Coolio. I'm going to grab it by this other rung. Seems to run fairly true, and what I'm using here is walnut, in case I had not told anyone. Yeah. And what we're doing now is just gonna drill all the way through this. I think I'm already down, so what I'm gonna have to do now, I wasn't paying attention to that, I'm going to have to raise my tray up a little bit, so give me a few minutes. I had one of my moments. Some things you have to pay attention to, and I've got the vise set up with the crank is on the right side, and well, so is my crank handle for raising the tray up, so I get to readjust everything and turn the vise around. That, kind of live and learn. These are just the little foxes that spoil the vine. So let me get this all readjusted, and I'll be back in a few. All the way through, and then as you're seeing, I'm going to repeat the process until I have a slot cut into that, and then it will be fitted onto the shank of that knife. Alright, I'll get back on this, and I'll bring you back here shortly. This is that knife I'm working on. I decided against filming it because this is the first time that I've actually combined two materials together to create a handle, and so far it's turning out better than I anticipated. So when I do the next knife, I think I'll go in more detail and do a video that'll go from start to finish with it. But yeah, this is for a friend of mine there at the lake. He was the one that donated the antlers, and I told him I'd build him a knife for doing so. And then this is what we're coming up with: brass, dark walnut, deer antler. And then the knife, of course, the blade came from Pakua Cutlery out of Duluth, Minnesota. And again, I will put a link down at the bottom there in the comments if you want to make contact. George has got some, he sells knife blades, but he's also got some really beautiful knives that are ready for purchase and ready for hunting. So anyway, I'm going to get some more work done on this and I'll bring you back. I've got it in my padded vice jaw, and I have wiped it down with linseed oil, and it really darkened up that wood add-on to make that little handle longer. That is nice. Turned out better than I anticipated, and of course this is the first time that I've combined, like I said earlier, combined materials to make a longer handle out of it. And I've got other stuff that I could have done, and that'll be what I might do next on the next one I build. I've got some leather. I can stack leather along with a piece of brass I've got around here somewhere. But I bought these Dremel attachments, and they fly apart. They're junk, and some of them don't even fit the Dremel tool. So I guess you have to change out these little wicker bills here. Anyway, so I just did it with my angle grinder and just paid attention. All right, that's going to do it for this project. And like I said, I will go more in depth when I do the next one. The brass had already been cut to fit and stuff for that particular blade. With the other blades that I have, I'll have to make those on my own. And that's why I bought the drill press. I just got to get good at using it too. So if you like what you see, give it a thumbs up. Give it a comment or two if you want. And like I said, there will be a more in-depth video in the future. But you guys have a great weekend, and I will catch you on the next video.